What are we doing, Kyle?
Going to the arcade with my money.
Yeah, how nice. Earlier, I got like 4 jackpots on 2 different games. Yeah,
So,
just kidding. Yeah, I got 2 jackpots on 2 different games, and
so we trying to take our. We were trying to use our dad's thing.
yeah, we got an intense fight. I got on his back to get his wallet, and he got so scared. I'm like, Dad, give me your phone. Here, Kyle, just go downstairs. Yeah. Kyle, come on. Let's go downstairs. Be healthy.
Let me check the stairwell. We'll keep looking.
Kyle, hey Kyle, have we had anything that was on our floor? Like, this is the last one. Okay, stairwell 2. Hold the door for your brother. It's not nice. Yeah, I deserve it. Hey, guys, you can't see anything for a minute. I think you have to go down there. So hold on. Ooh, can I block?
Okay, what should we do?
Yeah.
What should we do?
Come, do the one that we got a jackpot on. Well, I got a jackpot on.
I hate that game.
That game? Dude, I swear, I'll get you a jackpot.
Watch, see how much I have left. 13.
What the frick? And no.
No.
No, Kyle.
Can't see.
No, but I swear, I can get you a jackpot.
I don't care.
Guys, here, $5. $5 don't give you nothing. Like, really? Yeah. See, boy. See how easy it is to get a jackpot? Yeah, he just got a jackpot, boy. See how easy it is? You got $5 to let. You have 1 left.
I only have 1.5.
This is the one you
There's 8. There's 8. Hey, at least you it took that long to get freaking 500. Here, go. Let's go play basketball.
I would.
I'll watch it for you, okay?
I want you to camera it.
What?
I want you to camera the thing.
Okay, I'll zoom in.
No, not that. I mean, like the.
Oh yeah.
You know what? If I got the bonus, it's a small bonus. Plus
You could get like 15.
1,000.
Yeah, like 1,500. Look at that retarded monkey. Where is he hidden?
Oh, right there.
Whoa, guys, it's TV.
This station.
Yeah.
Captain Tate.
Here comes the princess.
That's weird. Boy, look at that 500. Wait. 200. It's gonna have to be here for a while. Guys, that is some Illuminati. My hand's freaking bigger than this. Look at his hand. Captain Dino. Hi, Dino. It's just annoying. The good thing about getting jackpots is like you get a lot of money, but the second thing is you have to wait for like an hour. Good 20 minutes though. So, 300. What are you gonna say about your second time playing this game, winning the jackpot?
I want to slap you in the face now.
Really? That's rude. Look at this, guys. It's pretty cool. Okay. Oh. 400. Yeah. Earlier we were here with my dad and stuff. I won jackpot twice on this and jackpot twice on that.
That's pretty good. I thought I was
Oh my god.
Yeah, 400.
So close.
That's weird. Okay, so we're turning this in.
Oh, grab the rest of it. Oh, yes.
Dude, I have the camera, dude.
Yes.
Kyle, wait, Kyle.
Oh, I got it. I got it. It's enough.
And then we come to the slow process of playing the piano. Slow process. Slow.
Oh, no, no.
Bro, dude.
They'll probably wait for us. I
Is
still
this
have a
stuck?
window. Me neither. Swimming thing caught that 9. So if it's 9 and they're not, they're definitely down. Is it 9?
Hey. What the heck? Is it jam? Yeah, it's jam. It's jam. Do you have the hand count it now?
Oh, we're just gonna have to wait.
We almost done. How much is it?
Yeah. Look at that. Choo-choo. That's weird.
Am I really just gonna have to pull this around?
Yeah, dude, until someone gets none. I think. There we go, there we go. Finally.
This one.
Finally. Finally, dude.
Oh, yes.
Hey, you lost track.
Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Yeah, his second try, he got it.
Second try?
Second
really?
try.
Congratulations, dude.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Oh, I stopped it. If this doesn't go to 500, that's good. That's good. If this doesn't go to 500.
So there we go.
You don't know my fingers.
Oh,
Oh,
Come up
jeez.
if you're anywhere close to your sister.
You want to get the middle?
okay, that's the yield lifted.
Oh, that's right. That is right.
Oh, Hugh. I got the right one.
Oh, okay.
2,000.
We have 5. These have 5 more. We have 5 more. Okay. 5 more call points. Where do we freaking go? Where do we go? Kyle, why didn't we play the basketball?
Oh yeah, I forgot. Let's see this one.
Just look at Kyle's a ninja. You're not being ninja, you're just swiping.
Yeah, ninja. It's so hard. It's so hard.
You shot.
Yeah. Actually, we have this on the phone, and so it's more easier. That's just something.
Oh, frick.
That thing just came by.
I got almost all of them. Like, I got the fruit frenzy or something like that.
Wait, you already did this?
Yes. I already played it. Missed it. Hey, Colin, look how much time you have. Oh, wait, you have no time. Hey, you got 95 tickets. 20 freaking 4? What?
I hate you. I still have like 2 more.
No, you have
I was
one.
like, yeah. So,
I don't think there is anything for one.
yeah, there is. No Monopoly.
Why did they
23.
freaking cup it out?
That's stupid. Okay. Oh, 40. Oh, I had the wrong one.
Frick, can you go buy new cards?
Right. This is the 43.
That's a 2,000.
2000.
How'd you get 2,000? Oh! Oh, yeah, no, dude.
From all my stuff.
Oh! Wait, how much do you have on that?
This one has 40. This one has like.
Oh, 2,300? You don't have enough.
If you bring yours, then we would. Let's go get yours.
I don't have any of mine. No, I don't have any on mine. Like,
Oh, you don't?
0. I didn't put out any on mine. Well, that freaking sucks. So we're gonna end this video, guys. Thank you. Please subscribe. And yeah, bye.